Buddy, so today we are going to be advocating state parks. So we are here at Ohio State Park in Pennsylvania, where we're going to go whitewater rafting. So I won't be able to take my phone with me because I'll probably fall out and it'll get smashed on the rocks. But we'll get some pictures for you. So this is what we're actually working to preserve. So this is actually a really amazing nature resource center. They put in a lot of work. So somebody way over there. So we got to go check in. And just remember, anytime you're out in the woods, you pack in with it, you pack out with it.